Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol RSHN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes, just mapping out levels of support and resistance much easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So let's map out some levels of support, then we can talk resistance. The first area of support is what I would call the ideal level. When you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up above 0014. Now, don't get me wrong though, if the price falls below 0014, I'm not saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, that would certainly make the chart look the most powerful. And so far, so good. You can see on several occasions, the bears have tried to press down below it, but to give full credit where credit's due, the bulls are doing a great job of holding strong right there. Now, in the event the price falls below there, next level of support to keep an eye on would be down here at the 0012 mark. So these would be the two near-term areas, 0014, 0012. Taking a step back, though, looking at things from more so a big picture point of view, that's where the purple line comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. This right here being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health. The bulls are in, full power. However you can best visualize that, no questions asked. Again, yeah, staying above 0014 would be great, but grand scheme of things perspective, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. In terms of levels of resistance, the main one for me is right up there at 0016. I get it hit 0017, but there's just a lot more data points suggesting the sellers are actually at 0016. So with a high volume break of 0016, I don't think it would be shocking at all to see the price kind of slice through 0017 relatively easily, but one hurdle at a time, and the bulls first have to prove they can get up through 0016. All in all, though, any way you look at this chart, very, very nice move today. Now it just becomes a question of, can the bulls build upon this momentum next week? We shall see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.